This is the iPhone 8. Wait a second. This isn't an iPhone 8. This is the infamous iPhone 8. And I'm going to be installing the iOS 16 beta on it. This was just announced Monday, and I'm actually going to be installing it on the oldest supported device for iOS 16. Yes, the iPhone 8. The same iPhone 8 that's never going to resell because I scraped the glass off to have a clear glass mod. Anyways, we're going to be installing iOS 16 beta on it and see how many problems we encounter. So, wait a second, this thing isn't charged. I need a charger. So let's charge this thing. One charge later, it's charged now. So now I am going to try to install this. Go into General, Software Update. Oh, I forgot I had this thing in airplane mode. No SIM card installed. So that means I can't talk to 867-5309 about an escape plan. Alright, let's finally try to update it. Okay, this concerns me. I'm just going to lay it. Oh, I'm excited here. iOS 16 Developer Beta. Enter your passcode, 8675309. That's the most secure passcode in the world. And yes, I wish they would automatically agree for you, these terms and conditions. Update requested. So I'm going to lay it on top of this iPhone box for a time lapse. Well, is it going to do anything? This is concerning. Whoa, I can't believe it's finally done something. It's finally installing now. Now for the time lapse again. Oh, by the way, this screen can't show up for the general public, and I can't say how to do it because I'll get a copyright strike on my channel. So, anyways, with the time lapse. It's finally not saying hours now. Looks like it's taking longer this time. Well, that's what I expect from this old phone here. 2 hours! 2 hours! Oh no, we might not be able to see iOS 16. And just as I'm filming the video, I ironically get a notification from a channel I'm subscribed to that says iOS 16 top new features while I'm trying to install iOS 16. Yay! It finally quit downloading. Downloaded. Now, I'm going to hit install now. Verifying update. Does it mean this verification? Still verifying. Now, it's restarting now. It's finally installing it now. Hang on, wait a second. Has iOS 16 finally installed? Yeah! 16.0! iOS 16! Yeah! This is iOS 16. Let's check out one of the main things. The font changed! Wait, the interchangeable home screen's not working. Yeah! Add new. So, it lets you add new home screens to your phone. Interchangeable home screens. Let's do the emoji one. Hit the emoji button. We got a phone symbol. And now... now... that shows aggravation with phones like this. So... now let's try to customize it even more. Add widgets. 80 degrees. Wow, it's hot outside. Activity widget. Notice how it has dashes in place of numbers because it doesn't see that I've exercised today. Wait a second. It can only allow for Cupertino 204, and now it is 5:05 here in Eastern Standard Time. Have to do this again. Here's our first bug here. When I hit the home button, it didn't save my changes. This is the buggiest, slowest version of iOS 16 there will ever be. Beta 1. I'm gonna customize the widgets to make them all problematic battery widget. There's a second bug here. Look at that. If I... you must remove a widget to add status. There's plenty of room. I was looking forward to putting 4 of these things on the screen. Instead, we're going... this just looks weird here. Apple doing things like this is taking the features Android had for years. For example, people used to say on iPhone if they had these features, "Hey, look at my cool jailbreak, bro!" And now they gonna say, "Man, it's a new iOS feature." Wait a second, I was playing around with this battery widget off camera, and this is off right now. I don't even know how many bugs we've encountered so far. Now, empty space. It works perfectly with the weather widget. Did you see that flash? Another bug. Frustration with the phone thing. Wait, the notifications are on the bottom now? So that means to have them on the top, you have to read them upside down? I can't read upside down. I hope you can change this. This is awful here. There's another feature inside Maps called multi-stop routing. Here, let me try something out. McDonald's, North Carolina. There's one in Raleigh, I guess. So, 2.5 stars. Let's change the beginning destination to... be safe and pay attention to your surroundings. This tries to warn about distractions while driving. Looking at your phone is a distraction while driving. So, Burger King Raleigh is 8 minutes, but we'll add a stop. There's multi-stop routing, which means on the way to destination 2, you're going somewhere else. Burger King in Canada. There we go. Let's see. Multi-stop routing. Look at all these directions here. Also, iOS 16 doesn't make sense because a month prior, Apple discontinued the iPod Touch. The iPod Touch is unable to run iOS 16. Why not just rename it iPhone OS 16? It doesn't make sense at all. And also, I hear the smart home app has been redesigned. They added a rural background. I don't know if the internet for a smart home will be too good in a rural background. Also, I heard there was going to be a new thing in dictation. This is a bug here where it won't let you type on the keyboard. This is an advertised feature in WWDC. Oh, wait a second. It's smart enough to know to not have the speech option, so Siri won't say that Siri is stupid. Mission failed on that. Oh, I forgot my light is off. Wait, what happened to my light? The battery on my light is dead. I guess I left it on too long. Alright, so Here is news. There's a new feature in news I'm going to show you. I don't want to pay $10 a month. Where is the new feature? Here's another bug here. They don't have the advertised My Sports page. Let me stand up this phone and show you a demonstration of what My Sports was supposed to look like. Sports. Yay! So, in Safari here, I'm showing the new WWDC 22 page, but this was the event that iOS 16 was unveiled. Not released, but unveiled. But, as you're about to see here, the event was almost 2 hours long, and I almost fell asleep. Keep in mind, though, this isn't supposed to be released to the general public for another few months now, but I have early access to it. Wait a second, they put the media player upside down, too? I can't believe this. Apple's supposed to have a new feature on live text, where you would show something on your phone and copy it in real life. Wait a second. It's not working. I guess it doesn't work on old phones like these. Oh, by the way, did you like my business card? Yes, this is what it looks like. Here's what it looks like from the front. But I didn't just buy one business card. I bought 500. Comment whether I should make more tech videos or not. That's all for now.